guide over here setting up.
What did you do? Lose it? Put that in the truck.
Chad brought his old pump and Casey's putting the, giving him the old semi-auto. Here's our blind right there. Guys are getting ready in the trucks. Ponderosa Outfitters right here. Got the old decoys going. I think he's hooking up the calls right now. Or no, that might be another decoy. I don't know. Ponderosa Outfitters. I mean, there is decoys as far as the eye can see out there. Everywhere. Way over there. And we come on the other side over here. You can smack decoys over here, or smacking decoys and birds over here too. As far as the eye can see, way out there. Way out there.
Hey, at least we're blinded in.
There's all the boys. Man that set it up himself right there. So the man we're gonna...
Geese out there.
There's a bunch. Way out there. Geese everywhere. Insane. Absolutely insane. But anyways, the person we're gonna blame if we don't shoot anything right there.
One in there, or going in, or two in there.
Infinite Hunt Outdoors himself.
If you flip it over to the bottom one.
Wait.
Call the shots, boys.
Call him.
That one. Hell of a shot I did, didn't it?
We got too many cooks in this kitchen.
I shot that.
Oh,
Chad, he can
here,
show you on
Chad shot every one of those, just to be clear.
Shot that one. Right here.
Somebody take this old man.
I gotta show you boys how to shoot.
Oh, yeah. We've been doing just fine. Somebody get him out of here.
It's all on candy cane.
Yeah.
I got it there.
Yeah, Chad, you want to lie to the people of America?
Hell of a shot.
Somebody hit that one. What'd you knock off your hat?
No, I was trying to put it on Goose so I could look up. We got these blues still, guys, to the left.
Still hovering?
Yeah. These blues are still hovering to the left.
They clipped that one. Right there in front of you. They're right across. I'm moving.
Is everybody okay?
Just hit Caden.
Did it, Caden? Good job, Caden! Take one for the team, baby!
Right here. Is he gonna turn? He's turning, dude.
Where's he at?
To the left.
Just let me know when to take him, boys.
Feet down. Feet down. He's left.
Hit him. I think that one's dead.
Get it out, get down, get down.
Oh, no.
You got a snow right here.
Oh, they're all locked. What do you say? Pass over to
I didn't know where they were. I couldn't see. I got all those things looking. You guys sit out front, and I was like, where? Are we taking them? Oh, there's some out front. Oh, there's these ones out front.
They're coming back, dude. To your left.
If they, you calling? Are you sure? Are we positive? Running low on ammo, boys. Huh? Who shot so many times? Good grief. He had been shot like 4 times and kept going up. Oh, this is awesome. Hey, Nelson, what do you think about all this, bud? What is it?
Almost better than 6.
I'll be sure to delete that out. Where are they at? Right here, on the left. Woohoo! Good shooting, boys. Okay. If he says jump, say how high. Hey, what do you guys think about this? Oh, that's fun. Oh, the boys are going after one over here somewhere. There it is on the ground. Caden. Caden. Look at that IHO hat coming across there. Beautiful.
They do look like they're going higher.
They do.
They act like they're gonna get shot at. Oh, look at the ducks. Oh, here comes one coming down hard. Look at that. Coming down hard. On my side on the left, see that snow up top? He's swinging, he's swinging, he's swinging. He's swinging. He's swinging. Oh my goodness! It's on the stake!
No!
It's on the stake!
No.
Oh, I'm not even playing! Right through the stake! Oh my goodness!
Oh my gosh!
Hey!
In the world?
He's already breasted out, boys!
That is crazy. Gee.
That is insane!
That's nuts.
So let's never do that again. I just saw my life flash before my eyes. That was horrid. That was really bad.
We got more blues.
That's crazy. What are the odds of that?
Bro, that scared me.
What is scary? Trying to get your camera?
Bro, I was like, I'm gonna get hit with this thing. I was literally waiting to stiff arm it.
I would have been worried about your camera, dude.
That's what I was worried about. And he's knocked out, boys. Oh man. Blood everywhere.
Oh, they're after this
Holy smokes! Woo!
Oh, shoot him, dude! Right there, flapping his wings. Shoot him.
Woo!
God dang!
How many did we shoot on that one?
Mine!
Here's our guide Kevin with Ponderosa Outdoors. Fantastic guide service. Look at them things.
Not a boy.
Here's our blind right here. Here's all the geese, pile of them out front. We got a pile. We have a pile like that big inside there. Boys are out there still getting. I think they got one down. Let's see if I can get on. There we go. Should we let a bunch of them land? Is he saying letting them land? Case, hop on this. Oh my goodness. There's geese everywhere. Hey Riley, send it to me, bud.
What did you just drop out of the sky? Like,
We should have just let them land. Take them. All right, leave them. They're dead. Holy smokes, boys. We got 3. Hey, good shooting, boys. Hey, this is what they call that good guide service. Let's get it. Hey, I didn't even stand up. I was squatting. Bro, there's bodies laying everywhere.
what the fuck?
And we got any music they want to play while we're doing this?
There he is. That's him.
Out picking up decoys.
JP, Casey shoot that Canadian?
That's I think he's wanting to pick them up because they're not wanting to land in the front. Hey, there's one over there by those Canadas. Caden, let's see it.
There's still 2 behind. Oh, God.
You're very photogenic. You're looking good. Oh, you're behind it.
Hey, Kevin, there's one more right there. Right to the right of that Canadian geese.
Leave them. Leave them. Sit down, boys.
He was far left to that.
Man, look it up there. Like, seriously, that is insane. They have been doing this amount of flocks for the past, what, hour? There's a crap load of dead birds out there. If we have one more flock, give it up. We can pack up and go home. I don't care. untubeable, Chatto.
Are you really getting them when they're up there?
Yeah. Oh, here comes one, here comes one, here comes one. Is everybody good hunting? Or are we still wanting to hunt? Got a small camera this time. There's our guide, Ponderosa Outdoors. There's Caden. Here's a boatload of them. Here we go. We're gonna start packing stuff up and taking pictures. Hey, Caden, you want to run out there and grab that one, brother?
Hey, does somebody want to run out on the hill? I think there's one, maybe two.
Me and Casey can run out there and check. Casey, you want to run out on the hill? All right, here we are at the end of the hunt. Casey's about to get ready for some pictures. Our guide over here is laying out all the birds. Oh, we got some ducks flying in, and they are coming down. Here they are right here, laying out birds by what they are. These are juvies over here, our blues right here, and snows right here. Rosses are in the front?
Ross, that's not a juvie,
It's
a subspecies of snows.
okay. So just a smaller version.
Now you need to point at all the shells. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Chad wants to make sure everybody knows we went through some boxes.
That's damn good.
45 altogether? I said 30.
How many?
45.
Oh, you got, yes, sir. You got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 40.
He's on the fence on their property, so I don't want to shoot him over the fence. He's wounded. Yeah, he's wounded.
Well, I can grab it. I'll up there and get him.
But he actually flew, so. Oh, did he? Yeah, but he dive bombed. So he can
Coyote bait.
I didn't know we had 30.
45.
All right, guys.